Hey there, entrepreneurs! Today, I'm diving into why you should consider hiring a consultant for your business loan. Now, everyone's got their own way of doing things, but let's break down the pros and cons of going solo versus getting some expert help. First off, submitting a business loan directly to the bank can seem straightforward. You fill out the forms, provide your financials, and hit submit. Sounds easy, right? Well, not always. The biggest pro here is cost. Doing it yourself means you're not dishing out extra bucks for a consultant. Plus, you've got full control over the process. But here's the catch. Banks can be picky. If you miss one tiny detail or don't present your business in the best light, your application might just get tossed. And let's not even talk about the paperwork and jargon. It's like learning a new language. Now, let's flip the script. Hiring a consultant might seem like an added expense, but think about it as an investment. Consultants know the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts. They've seen it all. Their expertise can skyrocket your chances of getting approved. They'll help package your application to look its absolute best. Plus, consultants often have connections. They know which banks are more likely to approve loans for your type of business. And these relationships can sometimes fast-track your application. It's like having an inside track. Sure, it costs money, but think about the time and stress you're saving. And often, the return on investment, getting that crucial loan, far outweighs the consultancy fee. You're not just paying for help, you're paying for peace of mind. So, DIY can work if you're confident and meticulous. But if you're looking for that extra edge, a consultant might be your best bet. Remember, the goal is to get that loan and grow your business. Choose the path that suits you best, and don't be afraid to seek help. After all, even the greatest entrepreneurs didn't do it all alone. Reach out to us for a discussion today. Catch you in the next video.